So I got into Portland, drove from the coast. Infinity. I'm gonna go do a little camera test with this out in downtown Portland. Could be good, could be a disaster. There's a lot of neon lights though, and it's like kind of blue hour still, so see what happens. And then I'm also gonna eat Thai food, so that's a good day. Is downtown Portland a place I would normally hang out by myself? No. But I walk fast. It's still a little early. And just snapping away, minding my own business. Keyword, it's early. No danger in sight. There was immediate danger, so I went the other way. Not immediate, just really sketchy. I love all the leaves. Birds, can you see them? To go. Tiny break. It's quiet, it's safe. Great little camera just for like a very quick walk around and snap about. It's so easy to just point and it's already in a portrait mode, so I know I can do like, it's just so quick. Mainly keeping it in auto or priority. No flash to see if I can see what it does with light, and these neon signs are super cool, so just seeing if I can break some rules, push the limits. I'm getting very hungry, and I know that food is gonna happen. This is so much fun. restaurants alone. I think it's weird. So my favorite tradition is getting food and taking it back to my hotel. Usually eating it in bed, but I'll be civilized. First time I visited Portland, 2019, I ate Thai food from this same place. It's my favorite place, Thai food place in Portland to eat. I don't know. Got spring rolls with tofu. Don't like the plastic, but I get it. I thought about this meal for like the past 8 hours. Does not disappoint. All right, intermission. I call this my between course camera chat, chatting of course about what I was using, the Pentax 17. This camera is like literally so easy to walk around streets with. I mostly had it just around my wrist. This has got to be the most like comfortable position for a camera to be. Easy, it makes the most sense. I love when I look in the viewfinder, it is already at portrait, so I can, it feels kind of like, I guess, a phone or something. Here we go. I was playing with a range of modes, on auto, and then P mode without flash, seeing again how those signs would do. I feel like it's so easy to use in my hand that I can actually like turn the shutter at just like as I'm going along. I'll put it on auto mode. Great, but like I did that and then I can literally wind it with my hand. It's very helpful. It's hard to really talk about what the pictures will look like because as I'm, you know, shooting this in real time, I have no idea what to expect from these pictures. I am very hopeful about these pictures. I just think this is such a great, like, fun. I'm very excited. It's good. The frame lines in this camera like make it really easy for me to go around, and if I want, I did pop across for a little landscape for some of it. That was the camera chat. I am so gonna get into this Thai food. Oh my gosh, look at that. Still warm. The next morning I woke up and headed to Hood River. I don't really recommend taking pictures while driving, but actually with this camera, it's so easy. I'm just pointing and shooting, and these are the results. Thanks for watching this fun adventure. More soon. Bye.